Mama said, get up, boy. It's time to go to church. I'd rather write a verse than read Testament verses. Tell me what the purpose of fine suits and purses. Catching the Holy Ghost up in service. Church and we hit the parking lot and act worse than niggas in my hood, though I know they ain't perfect. God still working on they soul and mine too. Said he would protect me, but these days I need mine too. Consider them wise to not have one. My little cousin knows how to load handguns.
Jesus. Même te konjouer football. I cannot do it. I need to make him go play for Brazil because it's too fast.
Mama said, get up, boy. It's time to go to church. I'd rather write a verse than read Testament